This is a mini electric screwdriver, but my favorite part isn't the screwdriver itself. It has everything a great screwdriver should have: metal build, a variety of bits, high speed, a light, magnetic tips, and even a screen. But what I love most is its drill function. I used to struggle with making small holes for my DIY projects, but now it's a breeze. 2 useful features for the price of 1. It's on sale. Don't miss it.
Amazon Home Hack. What if I told you could have soft closing cabinets and drawers in seconds? All you do is attach these hinges to the inside of your cabinet or drawer. It was so easy to do, and I'm amazed that it's going to save thousands of dollars, and I'm so impressed by the change it made in the kitchen. Enjoy!
This Genius BeatBot pool cleaner not only powerfully cleans the bottom of the pool, but it then also changes to a vertical position and cleans the walls and then the water line to make sure your pool is completely dirt-free. Its battery lasts up to 9 hours, and it has waterline parking for easy retrieval and placement onto the charging dock. I also love that it has a water clarifying solution and plans the most efficient cleaning path, completely eliminating overlap. It also informs you via its app when it needs to be emptied.
Okay, this is the best purchase ever. Home decor that keeps you organized. This is a 3-in-1 calendar, chore chart, and digital frame. You can assign each family member a color and then add events directly on the calendar or through the app. And the app makes it so you can see and manage everything when not home. There are to-do lists and grocery lists. You can also use it to plan meals, and there's a chore chart so everyone can see their tasks and check them off as they go. You could even use it in an office to color coordinate meetings and tasks. And best yet, it's a digital frame too, making it home decor and home organization in one.
Amazon Interesting Gadget. This window cleaning robot is the same idea as a vacuum robot for your floors, but for your windows. It's a breeze to set up and does everything automatically. It instantly maps out your window to cover the entire surface. It connects to an app and a remote control for extra settings, just like adjusting the spray.
Okay, let me tell you what. This is my favorite. Wait. This one. That's it. No, hold on. This is my favorite.
Amazon Home finds you actually need. This is a smart drawer organizer that I'm going to attempt to clean this drawer out with because I love this drawer, but I also hate it. Makes sense. I really like that this can expand to fit your drawer. It has 3 tiers, and that you can also customize the divider so that way you can organize a little better. And I also think this can be used for a lot of different places. But what do you think? Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Amazon Home Find. If you want access to an outlet behind furniture, this extension cord allows you to push furniture up against the wall while still being able to use the outlet.
I have another miracle cleaning find for y'all. This all-natural product easily cleans your stainless steel, it polishes your silver to bright and gleaming, and it even cleans the dirtiest of white sneakers, plus all of these other uses.
Amazon Cleaning Find. This mini go-kart is not only a ton of fun to drive around, but you can also attach a mop pad for it to double as a floor cleaner while your kid is driving it. The speed is easily adjustable and it's relatively quiet thanks to its soft rubber wheels. It's also lightweight for easy transportation and has a 6-liter hidden storage compartment. Amazon favorites. This leaf collector does an amazing job at raking up leaves. It's very lightweight and easy to maneuver around obstacles. It's also effortless to dump the leaves out, and the machine stores vertically to take up less space.